Hi, it's Andrew Harrison, the owner of Just Haul It Junk Removal out here in rural, Maricopa County. I'm west of the city of Maricopa in Goodyear, what used to be Mobile. Got the mountains. It's normally a beautiful view out here, but somebody sent me the GPS coordinates here of something not so beautiful. Somebody dumped their trash here illegally, and surprise, surprise, I took a quick look through it before I started recording, but came across a box with Oscar's address on it. So Oscar, I hope you didn't do this. I hope you hired somebody to do this and they did it. But I'd like to out whoever did this dumping in the desert. Here's the tire tracks where they backed in and dumped their crap. It's unacceptable. I'm gonna clean this up at my own expense. Stay tuned for some after pictures. Thank you.